Hello, we are SPEC. Today we will be transforming Davidek's pretty, beautiful and so sexy Toyota Celica with this. We have huge diameter exhaust pipe.
No, it's fart cannon.
Fart cannon, yeah, like.
Oh my god, am I going deaf? I can't hear thing.
Yeah, it's very quiet because it has to pass MOT next week. And also we couldn't do it without help of Civics, so here we have rusty Civics.
No fucking way.
Here we have Civics rusty muffler.
No, it's just for measuring.
Pipes.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Because this is barely a pipe.
Yeah. This is a pipe. Like you see? Pipe. Very good pipe. Yes, let's go. Very good.
Okay, so I'll explain. What do we need to do? Because this bitch's diameter is supposed to be 55. And this is supposed to be 45. So I wanted to get a 50-inch pipe.
50-inch? Holy shit.
Yeah, so I put 50 on 45 and 55
no, 50
on
inch is like this.
Yes, it's gonna be big muffler.
Big fart cannon.
Yeah, and the problem is my 50-inch pipe turned into 55 and now it's even like 50 fucking 6 or 7. So we have to type spec this shit. Beautiful job.
Yes. I need the brille because I felt shit hitting my eyes.
Yeah. Dobra, sample number 1, gotowy?
Yeah. Very nice, very nice.
We're done here for today.
Okay, let's go. End of this video. Man, it's a very good broom broom.
It sounds better than Corsa did when they cut off my fucking catalytic converter. That's for sure. Oh, I hope it will sound similar but a little more quiet with fart cannon. We gotta cut this shit like around right here. And let's fucking get this done. I wanna hear her. Vuela has the piece, I think.
Yeah.
Of the old exhaust. Here's the new exhaust. This is from fucking Kia Sportage 2. And we cut it. Right here we made slits. And it's all fucking C-band. And it should hold. And now we will test fit it. So here you go.
Okay, we loosen it up here. Move it a bit higher. And then we gain like 2 centimeters or something.
Okay. That's fine, okay, let's do this. What we got here, bro?
We started welding this up,
Yeah.
but it turned out that
But first we fucked
the
it up
exhaust
with hammer.
pipe would be like 20 centimeters into the ground, going straight down. Yeah, we had to break the welds. We did 2 spot welds to see how it works. So now I have to weld it up all around.
Yeah. slight issues at the finish line. What happened, mister?
I don't know. But something wrong with spawareczka.
Final steps. We're gonna tighten it up so we don't have to weld it to this fucking aluminium pipe.
It's not aluminium, it's too cheap to be aluminium. But it's some shit type of cheap ass
Aluminium and
steel, and it's too how do you call it?
titanium exhaust.
Titanium
under-
is shitty to weld.
Under his hand is a slit that we're gonna fucking
Weld up.
yeah.
Let's see. Man. Okay, very good. Very good. Now we have to,
Screw it in, but we have no screws.
yes. Let's see. Let's see how it. Man, it's very good.
It's very fucking good for the price I paid.
Yeah, and I already see how to mount it.
How will it sound?
Yeah, let's find some screws.